the flavor profile, and we sell some charcoal grills. So charcoal has a little bit of a distinct flavor profile. And the challenge with charcoal though is you do have to manage how you use the heat so much more. So, the learning curve on a pellet grill is virtually nothing. Whereas with a charcoal grill or an offset, stick smoker or something like that, you have to know what you're doing an awful lot more with the product. So if you want to have, superior results right away, go to a pellet grill. I mean, there's no learning curve on when it comes to a pellet grill. It's very, very simple. If you usually cook it, if you want to sear a steak at 500 degrees, well, you sear a steak at 500 degrees. Your heat source is just different, but you have a heat source that is actually providing extra flavor as well. So I wouldn't say you shouldn't, guys shouldn't try charcoal. I think it's good. I think that once they're, tired of, being dirty and cleaning up all the time, go to a pellet grill. I mean, and if you want to just hopscotch that, I think it's even better if you just go ahead and go right to the pellet grill. But like I said, we sell all of them, and our focus really is, yes, we're known for pellet, but whatever products that we provide is to provide a superior value proposition. Bigger, hotter, heavier for less money is really our mantra around here. Quality and authenticity in providing an authentic, solution to grilling. Those are the things that we're built on here. So I'm not saying don't go do charcoal, but at the same time, if you want the easy factor, you want to press the easy button, do pellet.